is a non-probability sampling. So like the name indicating, it is a sampling technique without using any probability concepts. In this particular method, the units of the particular population is not contained or it's not attached with any particular probability concept. It's actually purely based on, it can be purely based on the judgment of the investigator himself. So these are the some of the methods in non-probability sampling technique is purposive sampling, convenience sampling, etc. So we are using several non-probability sampling techniques for collecting sample or for collecting units to the sample from the population. So these are the two major non-sampling techniques. So in non-probability sampling, personal judgment or the personal elements has a greater importance for collecting units from the population to the sample. Since it is not contained or since it is not combined with any concept of the probability, so purely the units are collected from the sample to the population is purely based on some personal choices. So first of all, think about purposive sampling. So purposive sampling is a non-probability sampling technique. So this is also called the judgment sampling. Like the name indicating, the sampling technique or selecting the units from the population to the sample is purely based on the judgment of the investigator. He can give some priority to the units for selecting to the sample, or he can also determine which type of units or which type of items has to be selected from the population to the sample. So the method is purely depending upon the judgment of the investigator. So the basic difference between the purposive and the random sampling, purposive and the random sampling technique is that, so in random sampling techniques, the units are combined with the probability concept. So in random sampling technique, all the elements are equal probability for selection to the sample. But in the case of the purposive sampling, there is no probability concept or the selection of the units from the population to the sample is purely depending upon the judgment of the investigator. There is no probability concept. There is no equal chance for collecting the units to the units for selecting the units from the population to the sample. It's purely depending upon the judgment of the investigator. He can give some priority or the more priority or the less priority for selecting units to the sample from the population. So the next thing is called the quota sampling. So quota sampling is actually a specified sampling technique. So this sampling is similar to stratified sampling. It is used in USA for investigating public opinion and consumer research. So this is actually the first used by the in the country of USA, the concept of quota sampling, and is for investigating public opinion and the consumer research methods. And like the name indicating, quota sampling is similar to what stratified sampling because in this particular quota sampling, it is given the example to collect the data. The universe divided into quota according to some characteristics such as age, gender, occupation, etc. So that is what we are done in stratified sampling also. So we are making some homogeneous group for collecting the data, collecting the units from the sample, from the population to the sample. So the same concept is here we are using. So before collecting the units from the population to the sample, the entire population have to divide it into different quotas like age, gender, occupation, etc. And from these particular quotas, the enumerator or the investigator has to select the unit to the sample. So that is what we done in quota sampling. So the units are selected. So after making quotas of this particular after making quotas from the population, the judgment or the selection of the units from this quota to the sample is purely depending upon the judgment of the investigator. So he can select. There is a personal chance, or this is actually linked with some personal taste. So he can give the priority, or he can give the more priority, or he can give the less priority for the selection of units from the population to the sample, or from the quota to the sample. So the next sampling, non-probability sampling technique is actually convenience sampling. So like the name indicating, in which the units are selected from the population to the sample, or the sampling technique is conducted purely based on the convenience of the investigator. So it's not based on the judgment of the investigator. According to his convenience, he can select the unit to the units or items to the sample. So that is what we mean by the convenience sampling technique. Okay, thank you.